How to fix Bluetooth device not working on Windows 11. Let's get started. First, check Bluetooth settings. For that, launch your Settings app. Now navigate to the option Bluetooth and Devices. Make sure Bluetooth is toggled on. If it's already on, turn it off, wait for a few minutes, and then again, turn it back on. Next, remove and repair a device. If you're trying to connect a specific device, scroll down to Devices, click the one that's not working, and hit Remove. Now hit Add Device, choose Bluetooth, and try pairing it again from scratch. Next, run the Bluetooth troubleshooter. For that, navigate to the option System, click on the option Troubleshoot, click on Other Troubleshooters. Now click on the option Run next to Bluetooth. Windows will automatically detect and fix common issues. Next, restart Bluetooth services. For that, search for Run. Now type in services.msc and press enter. Now look for the services: Bluetooth Support Service, Bluetooth Audio Gateway Service, Bluetooth User Support Service. Right click each one and make sure they are set to automatic, then click Start or Restart. Next, update Bluetooth drivers. For that, launch Device Manager. Now expand Bluetooth. Right click your Bluetooth adapter and select Update Driver. Then choose Search automatically for drivers. If that does not work, try uninstalling and restarting your PC. If Bluetooth is still missing, it might be disabled in BIOS or physically disconnected. Check your manufacturer's website or BIOS settings to confirm, and that's it. Your Bluetooth should be working now. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.